This crispy fried shrimp recipe recreates the nostalgic flavors of a beloved childhood restaurant. It's quick, easy, and perfect for busy days or unexpected guests. The best part? You don't need much prep. Just pull the shrimps out of the freezer and in no time, you'll have a delicious dish ready to enjoy. Start by blending garlic and a bell pepper in a food processor. If you like a little heat, feel free to add a chili pepper. I used about 20 cloves of garlic here, and I know it seems a lot, but trust me, it's worth it. Next, I mixed the dry ingredients. 1 cup of flour, half a cup of cornstarch, a tablespoon of cumin, and a tablespoon of chili powder. That's optional. And don't forget to add the salt to taste. To this, add the garlic and pepper mixture, then slowly mix in cooled water until you get a batter that's thick like a pancake batter. Add the water gradually so you don't make it too thin. To make sure the batter is the right thickness and consistency, a quick tip is to dip one of the shrimp into the batter and make sure it is completely covered and coated evenly. If it feels too runny, add a bit more flour or cornstarch. If it feels too thick, add more water to adjust the consistency. Right before frying, stir in a tablespoon of baking powder and squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. This makes the shrimp extra crispy and gives it a nice zesty flavor. You can coat each shrimp individually and fry them immediately, or for convenience, toss all the shrimp into the batter and then remove them one by one to fry. Just make sure to shake off the excess batter. We want to avoid a thick coating to ensure that the shrimp's natural flavor shines through. Now fry them in a medium-high heat oil. Don't overcrowd the pan. We want to keep the oil temperature steady. Each shrimp only needs about a minute to a minute and a half maybe to cook. If you overcook the shrimp, they get really tough. Once fried, they'll be golden, crispy, and absolutely irresistible. You can serve them as is for appetizers. Can you hear the crunch? It's perfect. Traditionally, I'd serve this with baladi bread and tahini, which is the national bread of Egypt, and I do have a recipe for it if you want to learn how to make it. But today, I gave it a fun twist for my kids. I used corn tortillas, added fresh pico de gallo, guacamole, and a squeeze of lime. It's like shrimp taco, but American style. But if you ask me, I'd choose the baladi bread and tahini any day. Try it yourself and let me know which way you like it best. Enjoy this quick and easy recipe, perfect for family dinners, gatherings, or just when you're craving something crispy and delicious. If you're not following me, you probably are not going to see me again. So do me a favor and make sure to follow to get notified with all the new recipes. Bon appétit, or as we say in Egypt, بألف هنا وشفا.